Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the device is powered, on the same network, and signed into your account. This avoids permission errors. Once done, backup voice profiles or presets so you can restore them if needed. Next, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility or Audio/Voice. Whisper mode usually lives there. You do this now to reach the toggle quickly. Making these checks first prevents interruptions mid-change and explains why some devices hide the control behind account or model-specific menus. You now find the whisper mode control inside speech mode, voice responses, or similar. Once there, inspect the toggle or drop-down and read any brief warnings so you understand side effects like volume or privacy changes. Make sure to confirm the device model-specific step. Some require you to enter a PIN or tap Confirm to apply changes. After you disable whisper mode, save settings and allow the system a few seconds to apply. This avoids partial state changes and clarifies why some devices need confirmation. You finish by verifying the change. Issue a familiar voice command and listen for normal volume responses. If you don't hear the expected behavior, restart the device or force close the app and try again, since some systems need a reboot to apply audio profile changes. If problems persist, restore your backed up voice profile or reset voice settings to defaults. That recovers a broken configuration. One quick troubleshooting tip. Check for conflicting accessibility options. Disable any simultaneous audio normalization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.